Namaste. Welcome to the aromatic world of Ayurveda cooking, where each ingredient is chosen for both its flavor and its health benefits, creating meals that nourish the body and delight the senses. Today, we explore the traditional coconut chutney, a staple in many South Indian households, renowned not only for its deliciousness but also for its cooling property according to Ayurveda. Coconut is considered Shitala, which means cooling, and is perfect for balancing Pitta dosha, making this chutney an excellent choice during warmer seasons or for those with a Pitta constitution. So, without further ado, let's have a quick look at all the ingredients. This is a very simple recipe, so we will require hardly 2 to 3 ingredients for this. Our primary ingredient is freshly chopped coconut. Here we have taken our tender coconut in 150-gram quantity and we have chopped it already coarsely. With its cooling and nourishing, coconut adds a subtle sweetness and excellent for heart health. Our next ingredient is ghee or clarified butter. We can also use coconut oil in place of cow ghee or clarified butter. Both are good for digestion and both are particularly pacifying for pitta dosha in the body. Next is rock salt. Rock salt is considered as healthiest salt according to Ayurveda. Curry leaves. Highly aromatic, curry leaves are beneficial for hair and skin health. Our last ingredient is mustard seeds. Mustard seed stimulates digestion. After knowing all the ingredients, we will learn how to make coconut chutney and our chef Mr. Jagdish will help us in making it. So let's move on to our first step. In our first step, we will coarsely chop our tender coconut. In our second step, we have to grind our coconut into a fine paste. We will add half tablespoon of rock salt into the mixer jar with coconut. Rock salt can be added as per the taste. Now add half bowl of water into the mixer. Water as needed for grinding. Open the lid of the jar and we can check the consistency. We have to add water just enough to achieve a smooth creamy consistency. And here we can see as the final result the consistency of our coconut paste, the perfect as we want. Transfer the coconut paste into a bowl from the mixer. In our second part, we have to prepare the tempering. For the tempering, heat the clarified butter or cow ghee in a small pan on medium heat. Now add half tablespoon of mustard seeds and wait until they begin to pop. Then add some curry leaves and cook it until they release their aroma, being careful not to burn them. Now pour the tempering over the ground chutney mixture. Stir thoroughly to combine all the flavors. Taste and adjust the seasoning if necessary. And here our coconut chutney is ready to serve. Wow, it's looking so delicious. I cannot resist myself to taste it. Amazing. This coconut chutney can be eaten with various dishes. It pairs especially with South Indian food such as idli, dosa, vada, and utpam. Coconut chutney can also be served as a side with rice and pancakes made from gram flour and semolina. This delightful coconut chutney not only complements your Ayurvedic cooking but also brings a piece of South Indian tradition to your table. Its cooling properties and balanced flavors make it a perfect accompaniment to any meal, especially for those looking to calm their pitta dosha. Enjoy the process of creating this chutney as much as you relish eating it and embrace the holistic benefits it brings to your plate. Namaste and happy cooking.